actinium, aluminium, americium, antimony, argon, arsenic, astatine, barium, berkelium, beryllium, bismuth, boron, bromine. And that's the lucky 13 out of my mind for me. Cadmium, calcium, californium, carbon, cerium, cesium, chlorine, chromium, cobalt, copper, copernicium, curium, tungstanium, dibmium, dysprosium, einsteinium, erbium, europium, fermium, fluorovium, fluorine, francium, gadolinium, gallium, germanium, gold, and now I think I'm getting on a roll. Hafnium, hassium, helium, holmium, hydrogen, indium, iodine, iridium, iron, and it's at this point now I have to start trying. Krypton, lanthanum, lawrencium, lead, lithium, livermorium, lutetium, magnesium, manganese, meitnerium, mendelevium, mercury, molybdenum, neodymium, neon, neptunium, nickel, niobium, nitrogen, nobelium, osmium and oxygen, palladium, phosphorus, platinum, plutonium, polonium, potassium, praseodymium, promethium, protactinium, radium, radon, rhenium, rhodium, roentgenium, rubidium, ruthenium, rutherfordium, samarium, scandium, seaborgium, selenium, silicon, silver, sodium, strontium, sulfur. And how do you think I'm doing so far? Tantalum, technetium, tellurium, terbium, thallium, thorium, thulium, tin, titanium, tungsten, ununoctium, ununpentium, ununseptium, ununtrium, uranium, vanadium, xenon, ytterbium, yttrium, and zinc. And that's just about all, I think. Now there's one left remaining to complete the periodic sum. Indeed, it starts with Z, and it has to be none other than zirconia. Now I have completed the table of elements. If you question me why I have recited all this, then my answer to you, dear ladies and gents, is quite simply for the fun of it. Thank you.